Hey guys, this is 18-2. Welcome back to Dan the Demo Man. In the last part, I cried in a corner. I didn't actually cry in a corner. I was just really disappointed that I didn't get the item I wanted. The snowman cannon, so that I could give Duke Fishron a legit chance. So instead, I'm gonna cheese him. Hopefully. I think I fixed the kinks with my invincibility box. I'm not 100% certain, but we're gonna find out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So far so good. Yeah, I'll put on my defensive buffs. I should probably switch to that so I can heal as needed. Oh no, I can't switch. I can't switch that one. I could switch the Celestial Shell. That gives so many good stats. Yeah, I think I'll swap out the Celestial Shell instead. Yeah, so I think this invincibility box will work better than my previous one. One of the issues I had was during a solar eclipse. Deadly spheres could come in. The same way, basically they spawned off screen in the middle of blocks, so they were able to phase through blocks until they got to an open space, but then they couldn't leave. So this fixes that. My biggest issue with my invincibility boxes is I have one slime statue. I am literally going to have to go caving in order to find a slime statue, of all things. Alright, my explosive trap rod isn't doing what I need it to do. But yeah, so this is what was basically supposed to happen to the Frost Moon. The other major issue with my invincibility box is my damage output isn't all that great. So I have trouble killing the Ice Queen. It might not be a bad idea to put another platform here and here. Duke Fishron's down to... Is he under 10k? I mean, he's in phase 3, so yeah. He's under 9,000. Oh no, sorry, now he's in phase 3. My mistake. Not really that much to say right now. The explosive traps now probably will work better, because my fireball won't hit nearly as much, but as soon as he gets in range of the explosive traps, those will go off. So yeah, so Duke Fishron's not that bad when you cheese him. Down to I don't know what. He's down to 0. Let me just do a quick swap. That was completely unnecessary. Let's see what I got. Obviously, Shrimpy Truffle. For general usage, I prefer the Cosmic Car Key, but the Shrimpy Truffle does have its uses. I got the Tempest Staff, which shoots Sharknadoes. It is really awesome. I can't use it. Well, now that I know my Duke Fishron strat works, oh shoot. Let's beat Duke Fishron again. There is a drop I still want. Why am I dying? Oh, that's why. Oh my word, the Sharknado is what was killing me. I forgot to dismiss the Sharknado. I was like, why am I taking damage? And given how annoying truffle worms are to get, I'm glad I didn't die. Anyway, speeding up now. Fishron, 2 Duke Fishrons down. I need to swap around my accessories. Kill that slime. Now let's see. Come on, Fishron wings. I got the bubble gun. Hey, look, a target. It's not that great, to put it mildly. It does do quite a bit of damage, but its range isn't all that good. So, that is enough Duke Fishrons for now. Now that you have seen that I can reliably cheese him to death, and there are ways to do it faster. I could do it faster, for instance, by... Actually, I'm holding on to that one. I like that one. If I added traps, it would work better. But I won't. But I save those for my main area. That duck is spazzing out, and now it's dead. I don't remember what I still need Oh, the drill containment unit, right. Well, I think there's only one thing to do now. Yes. I believe it is time to figure out which teleporter I need to use. What am I doing? I have infinite flight. Yes. There is only one thing I can do. Alright, so first I do want the actual Star Veil. Since this is going to be a legit attempt, I will put all my buffs on. Heart reach won't matter, actually. Ammo conservation will, life force will, endurance, rage, throw on, and inferno. Now, I could... I could make this arena better, but that would take too long for on camera. Instead, I say just go for it. Let's equip the correct ammunition and then just go for it. Hi, lunatic cultist. For the record, what I am doing is a bad idea. It's you. Oh, yeah, let me get out of the sky. You. I didn't hit you. Wait, you weren't the one? Oh, this is gonna be great. It's you. Yeah, so hopefully you can see why the Electrosphere launcher is good. Ooh, I am at the world height. Oh, crap. Oh, hi, Blood Moon. That's exactly what I needed. Ah! I lost my cursor. It's like, oh no, my buffs all wore off. No, I just didn't turn them on. Cursor! Hi, Wyvern. You know what would be great? Is if there was less red in this game. Alright, there you are. I got you this time. I didn't get it in time? Oh, you're the wrong lunatic cultist, right. Sorry about the lack of commentary here. I'm concentrating because I actually have a chance. Speaking of a chance, I did that thing again. No, I don't need heart reach. I'm trying to think of it. I don't need swiftness either, I don't think. You were off the screen. That is not fair. Also, my fault for bringing the battle up here. Unfortunately, that counted as hitting multiple. Alright, what pillar am I at? I am currently at the Stardust pillar. Alright. Now, obviously, I'm looking for the vortex pillar. No! The solar pillar is right next to my base. The solar pillar is also hell. Now, why is it hell? It is hell because of crawltipedes. If I leave the ground, a crawltipede will charge at me and kill me. What am I doing? I have minions. If things get really dire, I have no idea. So yeah, that's a crawltipede. Crawltipedes hurt a lot. And they're only vulnerable on the tail. But they have significantly less health than they appear to have. Because when you do hit... Wait, I do want the solar pillar pretty quickly, come to think of it. Because this will give me access to an explosive weapon. That was anticlimactic. But yes, so I am going to get one of the ultimate explosive items. See? Crawltipede. Right there. Oh, shoot. I know what I should do. I got those guys back down. No, wait, no, I shouldn't put on the Shrimpy Truffle because of the flipping Crawltipedes. The good news is I am making progress each time I die. I think I need to kill 100 enemies in order to Crawltipede. I lost track of what I was trying to say. Those blasted meteors. Yeah, I think I want the invincibility frames more than I want the additional damage the spore sac will give me. Hang on, locate. Again, still okay. Still making progress. I am gonna have to lay down more sentries. Hi, Crawltipede. It's okay. I am making progress. Hi, crawl speed. Wait, really? This is within the solar pillar. Solar pillars defenses are down. Alright, we're gonna get 2 Duke Fishron kills and a solar pillar kill. Cursor. Solar pillar is coming down. Also, solar pillar is the only pillar that defends itself with its own attacks. Is there a reason you guys aren't attacking the pillar? Oh, there, it's just slightly out of range. Really? Really? Come on, 411. Come on, just kill it. Alright. My sentries successfully killed the solar pillar. And most of the enemies should have despawned, if not all of them. Excellent. What am I doing? Alright, I got me 46 solar fragments, which means with my ancient manipulator I can craft the Daybreak, which is a reusable javelin that sticks in the opponent. It doesn't explode, so I can't use it. Or the ultimate melee weapon, Solar Eruption. Now watch, I got like a shoddy one. Weak, close enough. Actually, it's only minus knockback. So, actually that can't be a replacement for this either. So, Solar Eruption. And those are going to wind up going toward solar wings. But now I might actually have a chance against old ones. I just want to show off Solar Eruption. Oh, here's a good chance to show it off. everything explodes. It is wonderful. And look at the range on that thing. I was standing there, was able to hit that thing. And reminder, this is a melee weapon. So, this has been a really exciting episode. A lot happened. So in the next part, we're going to tackle the vortex pillar so that I can get an upgrade to my missile weapons, or ranged weapons. And we'll probably also take out the nebula pillar, and I might try to get all the pillars once I'm reasonably certain my why did I do that? My Moon Lord Slayer works. I don't think it does yet. Oh, that's why I don't have the super healing potions. I can't have the super healing potions yet. Anyway, lunar events are pretty easy to start. So in the next part, you know what? I might try the Frost Moon again. But definitely taking out the Vortex Pillar. Anyway, this has been 18-2, and I will see you guys next time.